Hi everybody, Josh here with Online ADA, and we're bringing you another video covering the WCAG accessibility guidelines. Today we're covering 2.4.1 bypass blocks. This is a level A requirement. Let's jump into the description here. A mechanism is available to bypass blocks of content that are repeated on multiple web pages. That's it. It's real simple. Anytime you have multiple web pages that have repeated content, mainly something like a list of links. A header is a really good example of this. If you have a navigation header with maybe a horizontal layout and you've got the top level links to your different pages, and underneath those they have separate links. Can you imagine what it would be like to have to tab through all of those every time you go to a new page? That would be a nightmare, right? So this article is saying we should provide a link for the user to be able to bypass these and head directly to the meat of the article or the page. So the only other kind of situation I can think of where this might be applicable is if you're trying to duplicate the structure of a book and maybe you have like an index of some sort. But again, that's really just a list of links. So it really just, the examples on their documentation really just outline anywhere that you have a set of navigation links. And it could be applicable for other reasons, but mostly just the repeated content on every single page. That gets the user past those things that they might have to continuously go over and gets them right into the content. So it's a really short article. That's really all there is. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.